Pastry pinwheels, they're a fantastic scroll-like snack, and you can add all different types of fillings, but I love to add mushrooms for this because they give a really lovely earthy flavour to them. These are Swiss brown mushrooms. You can see because they're the darker coloured mushrooms. These ones are super fresh, and you can tell that these are fresh because they're firm and they're not too spongy. Now, I don't peel these at all. If there's a little bit of dirt, you just have to wipe it off with a brush or just with a damp cloth. Now, I'm not going to chop these. I'm actually going to place them into a food processor. I want to make a bit of a duxelle, which is finely chopped mushrooms that are fried down. Now, these are renowned for their bold, deeper flavour, and that's what I want for this. I really want to taste the mushrooms in these pinwheels. So I'm going to cut them in quarters, and then I'm going to pop them into my little food processor and chop them so they almost look like mushroom mince. Right, that's much faster than finely chopping them by hand. Of course, you can do that if you like. A good glug of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to fry these off until there's no moisture whatsoever and they're a lovely golden colour. Then I'm going to cool them down. All right, the mushrooms have cooled down, so let's make our pinwheels. I've got some all butter puff pastry here, and I like to start with the cheese, some cheddar cheese. We'll just spread this over. You can leave just a little border because it will spread. Now on with our mushrooms. You can see how dry this is because we cooked it down nicely, and it smells fantastic. I happen to have some ham in the fridge, so I'm going to add one very thin layer of ham because mushrooms, ham and cheese go so well together too. Spread it out evenly, and a thin layer of double smoked ham. Now, I haven't added too much salt to the mushrooms because the cheese is salty and the ham is also salty. So one thin layer down the middle, and that's it. Now it's time to roll. I'm going lengthways for this, so we get lots of pinwheels. Press that in. And then little by little, we're going to roll. You can see how easy this is to do. You can even get the kids involved. Press down on it, spread it out, and then keep rolling. This is going to go into the freezer for about half an hour, just to firm up slightly. Then I'm going to cut them into pinwheels onto a tray and into a hot oven until they're golden brown. Well, how good do these pinwheels look? They're like a cheats version of a scroll, and they just smell fantastic because of those beautiful Swiss brown mushrooms that we added to them. And there's a variety of ways you could serve these. You could serve them warm as a bit of an appetizer with some drinks, but I also like the idea of placing them into the lunchbox. They're just as delicious served room temperature.